Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn. This will show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy even for beginners. Watch this video till the end, write a comment, like one will receive $100 to the balance on the website. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP.
So we start our trading session with $100. Let's see. And let's get started. The first thing, we set up our workspace. We started we start our trading session with the amount of $100, 100% of our balance, 1 minute time frame, 1 minute's deal amount. We will use Quotex and payout percentage more than 90%. It's very important. I recommend you to use Quotex with the payout percentage more than 70%. And we will use technical analysis and of course indicators. So 2 indicators, Keltner channel and Quotex. Let me tell you more about this. We start with Keltner channel. It's located on our chart and the settings. You can pause the video and copy the settings of this indicator. This is the main volatility indicator of technical analysis, which helps us to determine the trend in the market. It's based on the principle of channel price movements, that is, after applying the indicator to our chart, the upper and lower boundaries of the channels appear, within which we assume the price will trade for more than just part of our time. So often if we overcome a channel in the upper range, it's an upward trend. In the lower range, there is a downward trend. Also, the main thing is to look at how these channels are correct and all the data are some 3 moving ones. This is also the range in which we are located. So, the second indicator is ADX, located at the top of the screen, and the settings. So it's plus the I and minus the I, red. A certain period of time, that it's if green prevails in our market, it means that this is an upward trend. If red prevails, the trend is for the down. So it's very simple. So volatility was quite high, intensity is falling. And before we start our trading session, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find there many useful information about trading, many information about indicators, about signals. You can find the link in the description under the video. And let's move on. We start with the first concept. Here we are. Let's up and down, and we start our technical analysis. So why we opened down? Because we see this situation, and most likely we should open up, but yeah, we see some consolidation. Here we see the consolidation is generally underway. Yes, so to speak, it comes out in the upper position. Our first indicator, Keltner channel, shows this perfectly. If you see this. We reached support area, and we see some pullback in the down position. By the X indicator, we have a slightly identical situation as well as the green moving average. Likewise, red is directed relatively in the lower position, which also indicates some kinds of consolidation. So, yeah, plus deal. Our balance is already $192. Good. Let's move on to the next concept. Yeah, here we are. Let's open up and we start our technical analysis. Yeah, we see this because line for an increase, we had such a relatively small pullback here. It was due to the fact that we have a certain degree of resistance. Let's highlight the support area, and upon reaching the resistance area at a given point, we simply lost these particular points. Growth lines are moving up. By the X indicator, we see two moving relatively correct downwards. Yeah. Growth. So profit is $92. Good. Let's move on. Yeah. Let's up and down. And we start our technical analysis. We have consolidation here, but we have three pretty good downward candles. Yes, it's possible that from consolidation, from the Kelton channel, we see some position for growth, but I still believe that we will go down since our two lines are basically talking about this. Red line is in the growth position. Intensity is very low. 10 seconds left until the end of our deal. At this moment, let's hit to make it more clear. 2 seconds. Yeah. Plus deal. Profit is $92. And the chart continues to go down. Although there's a possibility that it will return to this consolidation again. $376. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll find there many useful videos about trading. So, let's continue our trading session. Let's move on to the next concept. Yeah. Our concept, let's open up and we start our technical analysis. According to technical analysis, at the moment we see that although we have a general drawdown, this also shows an ideal line. And three moving averages of this channel are directed from the lower position. Also, the chart itself is in the lower position. Now, while we're trading with you on minutes time, so we need to look at the situation in more detail and not in general. To put the situation in more detail, we had quite a few good red drawdown candles. So, support area, we reached it. pull back then. By the X we see the other situation is relatively different. We have two moving orders directed downwards. This drawdown will most likely continue, but it will begin perhaps to some extent to the end of the week. Yeah, our balance is 468. The chart has grown. We have two counter pairs left. Let's increase the amount of the deal and let's try to do this. Here we are on the next concept. Let's open up and we start our technical analysis. We have the chart drawdown and consolidation. We have some pullbacks and even we can reach the resistance level. So we have two fairly confident candles. Often after them there are some small rollbacks to the upper position. It's by calendar channel we see drawdown. By the X the same. Two lines are as close as possible to each other and both are looking at in the lower position. Let's see. Yeah, excellent. Our profit is 436 and you'll find these deals in my Telegram channel. Our last concept, let's reduce the amount of the last deal. We will no longer take risks. Let's move on. Let's open down and we start our technical analysis. Yeah, we see drawdown on our chart. Two candles. By Keltner, we see drawdown situation. Upper limit is uncertain and in the state of the overage. Lower, and it's in a state of drawdown. Red is in a state of rising. This is degrees. 10 seconds left. Drawdown. Yeah. Plus deal. So let's finish our trading session for today and let's sum it up. We started with a balance of $100 and now it's more than $1,000. It's very good. We increased our balance by 10 times. We used 1 minute time frame and we used the concept pairs with payout percentage more than 70%. It's very important. We used two indicators and also we used technical analysis for general analysis. So I show you the settings. Calendar channel. You can pause the video and copy it. And IDX settings. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.